What's up?
Oh, what's up? What's up is... Yeah. Snowball fight.
No, not with the camera.
Hello. Can I try?
No.
Okay.
You building a snowman?
I'm trying. I think it's gonna get destroyed.
What's up? Come, go after that snowman.
Oh!
That's good. Oh.
Alright.
You're gonna want shit.
What's that?
You're gonna want shit, aren't you?
No, I'm not gonna do it. You said no. I'm not gonna do it.
Huh?
That was a good one.
Try to beat that.
Now you're gonna get it. You started it.
I could rain so much paint on you, little guy. I'm gonna let that one go. Here,
There you go.
have a little snow party.
Oh. Oh.
Hey, I checked the weather, and guess what it called for?
What?
Snow!
I know what we can do with this chunk.
All right,
Oh,
guys,
not yet.
tell us what we got going on here.
We built.
This is like how cavemen started
What
building.
up,
Jackson,
guys?
How the cavemen started with igloos. So we're at the Neanderthal knuckle dragon stage right here. Right, Wyatt?
Yeah.
Who needs ice cube?
It looks like we have an entrance,
Yeah.
so that's a good start, I guess.
Oh, nope. Jackson, no.
It's coming in.
This igloo. Oh wait, there was a window.
Nope. No
Okay,
windows.
Jackson, tell us what you're doing.
Now I am getting inside to fix everything. and I'm gonna trap myself in here.
Are you gonna spend the night?
I'm gonna spend my life here.
Your life?
Life?
Yes.
Well, that seems like a long time.
Yeah.
How long do you think it's going to take to complete this?
12 days.
12
Wow,
days?
that's a lot.
Do you think we have that much time?
Yeah, we have like 48 hours.
Okay, so
Uh-oh.
you have to speed up the process then
Igloo.
somehow.
Oh.
So what about heat? What are you going to do for heat in there? You going to put a fireplace in there?
Yes.
Okay,
It's gonna be one candle power.
one candle power.
I'm just gonna punch everything.
All right, well,
No.
good luck with the project.
Okay.
We lost her.
Hi guys, so today, well, I should say tonight because it's dark out. Tonight we are out here and it is Thanksgiving Day, and the house and the cabin we're staying in is really right behind the camera. And if we could just like turn around and like, yeah, there's what the cabin looks like. And I wanted to show you something that is actually pretty cool and impressive. Can we show them
We're
the...
gonna walk out there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, you're probably thinking, are you in Alaska? No. Well, kind of feels like that, because look, this right here in my hand, snow.
Okay, let's go over to the structure you've been working on.
Now,
Okay, it's been a few hours since our last update.
and now
There is progress being made.
And also, here's what the inside looks like. There's like a little tunnel. And guys, watch this. Watch this, guys. Hello.
Maybe tomorrow we'll have a roof on it.
Yeah, and also I don't know.
So
how...
you know you guys have to build the roof this high so I can get in there.
Yeah. And also I will be back in 1, 2, 3,
Olivia.
4.
Okay, great job. Great job, Jackson. Okay, we're checking on the progress of the igloo. What's going on, Jackson?
Okay, so hey guys, so close your eyes, and while you're closing your eyes, I want to show you something, and I'll just show you something really cool about the igloo. Here, come here.
Let's go take a look.
Okay, guys.
Oh,
So,
looks like you made progress.
and yep.
Look at that.
Got a little cheater stick in there.
Here's Mr. Daddy's igloo.
Okay, you got a roof now. That's good.
And look, I can barely 0 damage. And also, here's the inside. Here's the inside. Yeah, it's pretty dark in there. Like, imagine this be a home for Bales.
Okay, so you're going to spend the night out here then?
No.
No?
Oh, wait, I have an idea. Hey, guys. Oh, God, sorry, the screen went black. Do you guys want to see a little bit of a snowball fight with me and my cousin?
That's
Ella?
a different video. We're talking about the igloo right now.
Oh, okay, so the igloo, so you're probably wondering how many ice balls do you have in there? It took us over 100 ice cubes to make. And also,
This is like basically how the first igloo was made, and they got a lot better over time.
and here's like some of the color, and as you can see, it's a beautiful evening, and what you hear that? I think you can hear airplanes.
Yep, hear an airplane going by.
Yeah, and also guys, here's what I like to call Mr. Big Scooper. I was trying to use
Ella, how much did you participate in this project?
Not a lot.
Not a lot?
I participated in the beginning and I built some of it, but then not at the end. I didn't help with the dome shape.
dude, you're crazy.
Okay, so there you have it. It's almost completed.
And
We'll check it in the morning and see if it's still standing.
yeah. And we'll see if someone decides to take shelter in this place.
Okay.
What's up, YouTube? And today we are going to be showing the completion of the igloo. And first, all it looked like was this. Snow. But now, look what it looks like. Yep.
And there it is.
Yep, and if Grandpa would let me take the camera inside the igloo.
Yep. Take it inside and
So here's
check it out.
here's what the igloo looks like inside. Okay, 1 second, guys. So, okay, so guys, as you can see, I'm inside the igloo, and okay. We could play non-stop. Spray non-stop, and like it just like hasn't collapsed down. Oh, sorry.
Bring it back out, Jack.
Okay, so just okay, coming. And now, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you want to see. And here's Peckball. You can see how running. Now smash that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see more videos. Bye. Go see.
I'm gonna snowball fight you. Oh, get a big one. Can you catch it? Buddy, catch it. Buddy, catch it. You go over there. Here we go.